Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. I say good morning because I just dropped Sydney off at school, got myself a coffee that it has way too much creamer in it, so I'm gonna make it make sense. I went out and bought a coffee when I have coffee at home. Anyway, I am adding coffee to it to hopefully lighten it up. Not lighten it up, darken it up. Today is the first early release that Sydney has, and so she is out at noon today. And I have some stuff on the agenda as far as work goes. I have like emails to do, housework to do, so that's what we are doing today. I'm gonna make some Crockpot fajitas for dinner and just have like a kind of a relaxing day because it's a quick day for Sydney, and then of course when she comes home she will want to play outside. Yesterday I spent the day with my friend, and it was we have been friends for I think 7 years, over 7 years. We were co-workers before we really got close. Yesterday was the third time in our over 7 years of friendship that we had ever hung out without kids. So anyway, so we took the day. Of course, we went to Target, we went to Home Goods, we went to lunch. It was so nice. I did buy a couple of things from Target. I'm gonna do a fall haul of all of my purchases as of recently soon. So be on the lookout for that probably next week. Yeah, it was just amazing for the soul, for the heart. Like we both felt like kids because we were like, wait a minute, what do we do? This is amazing. Anyway, so I am going to fold some laundry and then check some emails and get to work. It needs more coffee still. I'm that person. If my coffee is wrong, there's a line of traffic behind me. I didn't want to like hold up the traffic by sipping my coffee and saying, sorry, this is too light. This is what I have to tackle this morning. I have a pile of laundry I need to fold. Sydney's half-eaten breakfast. Well, she ate most of it, and an orange. We played Go Fish last night. I didn't clean up after last night. I just went to bed. Cindy's pajamas that are dirty. Actually, I should do that now. And it is gonna feel so nice to have the sun shining today because we had like 2 or 3 days of cold, dark rain. So my plants need some sunshine. We need some heat.
Shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
I swear these cobwebs come out of nowhere. All of a sudden the sun shines in and you're like, whoa, my house is filthy. Cool. Disgusting. And it is time to let the dill and the basil go. I am gonna cut off whatever I can for leaves for the basil, possibly the dill too. I've let this go over the last couple of weeks. Ever since vacation, I just let it go. It doesn't love cold nights, and we've definitely had some cold nights. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this area. So I saved all of this fresh basil. I am going to be making a soup that I'm going to be using this with. And I know I threw a lot of basil in the woods, but we definitely used a ton. And I don't know how to dry and freeze and do all that. Maybe next year I will learn. But to keep your herbs nice and fresh, wet paper towel in with this container, or put them in like a plastic bag or something and stick it in your fridge, and they will stay fresh for a nice long time instead of getting all wilted and yucky. So it's already almost time to pick up Sydney. I just spent the last hour doing, you know, emails, talking to brands and whatnot, sending them content, and then trying to figure out tech that I am not good at. Sometimes I am like, how is this my full-time job and I've been doing this forever and I still don't know how to do these things. So anyway, I am gonna start making the Crockpot fajitas. Super easy. I just figured that would be like a nice early release dinner, because I can play with Sydney when she gets home from school and I don't have to really like worry about stopping to cook dinner. So I'm cutting up some peppers. I have garlic and yellow onion. Ideally, I would have bought different colored peppers to make it look fun, but apparently I just bought red, so that is fine. And then I'm gonna add like a honey and lime to it once it's done cooking. This doesn't take long at all. I have chicken, of course, that I'm gonna pop in the crock pot as well. So the day has already gotten away from me. First of all, layer in peppers on the bottom. Onions, whoops. I'm gonna smell like garlic and onions when I pick Sydney up. Okay, I was gonna make my own fajita seasoning, but I think I'm out of like chili pepper. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over the veggies and the garlic. And then I'm gonna pop my chicken on top. And then I go ahead and layer in the rest of my peppers and then do a little bit more seasoning on top. And then that is it. That's gonna cook on low for a few hours, and then I will go ahead and add some lime juice and some honey to it a little bit before serving.
Like, she had this, not a candle, but this.
Look at that ponytail. It's so long now. I have the little girl, picked her up from school. She's full of energy.
I'm starving.
I'm starving too. So since it's early release, I'm gonna make her lunch from home. I love you. Did you have a good day?
What?
Put the blanket away.
What?
Put the blanket away.
And
I did laundry and washed it and she was not impressed with me. So this is Sydney's lunch. We have some turkey, goldfish, chive cottage cheese, cucumbers, just a little plate because she had a friend at school have a birthday today. It was the first birthday celebrated at school and she got a ring pop that she really wants to have. So she has to eat lunch first. Missy, go eat.
I'm going to show you guys something. Guess what, you guys? I got this at school.
Wow. She is so pumped. Sydney and I had, I haven't talked in a little bit. Sydney and I had a little bit of downtime and I just put a movie on for her. We played outside for a little bit too. The fajitas, I always forget how quick my Crockpot cooks since I'm not using like huge chicken breasts or anything. So the fajita stuff is completely done and it's only just before 4 o'clock. So I have it on keep warm and I'm gonna go ahead and juice a little bit of lime, put a little bit of honey in the bowl, just mix it up just a little bit and adding a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of tang to the mix, just something a little bit different. And then I have this, which is Mexican style rice and street corn, easy rice. I'm gonna pop that. I've never had it, so hopefully it's good. But I like rice with my fajitas. Sour cream, lime, of course, cheese. So I'm gonna serve this family style. I have this bowl, I put the rice in it and then all of the toppings. The peppers are really, really tender, fall apart. So if you don't like your peppers to cook super quick, put your chicken in first and then put the peppers in like halfway through. And then I have some cheese for toppings, of course, sour cream. Sydney's gonna definitely go back for more than one, but we're just gonna start off with one. And then she stole my limes that I had cut up, so I'll probably have to cut up some more. Sydney enjoys eating them. I love doing family style meals and it's just 2 of us, so I rarely ever think to do it, so happy I thought of it. So Mama can scoop some of this into your, right in here, a little bit of rice.
And I'll put cheese.
Yeah, I'll like put the cheese on it. A little bit of rice, peppers, chicken.
I'll put the cheese on it.
On yours. If you want, you can squeeze some lime on it. That's enough cheese.
One more.
Seriously?
We didn't move. We couldn't move since I have work and we did workout.
You did?
We do it sometimes.
How was that?
Okay. We did this on her kid. We did this. Work it, pig. Move the side. Good. Work it.
I love that. Now that I am stuffed to the brim, we are outside for an hour before bed. Ready, set, go.